Okay guys, so welcome back to part 2. So we have almost completed our layout preparation, but I just want to add one more small detail. Okay, what I'll do is I'll add that here, seal box cushion outer dia I will mention it as seal box caps lock SEAL BOX box CGS cushion OD. Okay, and then I'll copy this and go to annotations, diameter. I want this to be different from nut dia. So I will take this, add this, add some value as of now and accept it. Okay, so bring it down, go to relations tools and yeah, relations, come down here, paste this here, and this should be rod dia plus 0.5 into rod dia. Okay, say yes, perfect. Let's see if it is calculated. No, it will not calculate. Ampersand, is it not taking? Maybe this is the reason. Perfect. Okay, so now guys, our layout work is done. Okay, now let's go to building an assembly out of this. That is our final target. Okay, how to build an assembly out of a layout. Okay, for that first thing first, go here and say assembly and click on say hydraulic, because it's a hydraulic cylinder. Say hydraulic cylinder assembly, CYL assembly. Okay, then pick the MNKS assembly design, say OK. Now what happens, your assembly is ready. Okay, now we are going to create each part independently. Okay, so first then go here, click on CYL cylinder tube. Okay, so click OK, go here, pick this .prt, say OK, done. Okay, this first part will always be default. Okay, because then open this, go here, options, then model display, make it as isometric, apply, OK, yes, OK, current session, OK. Now first thing, in cylinder you have outer dia, inner dia and extruded length. So click two values. Okay, this is done. Say yes, go here. Now the most important part, this is the most important or you can say step. You have to go here and say declare. Okay, then declare this and then refresh it, because when you declare it, what you are doing is you are bringing your layout into your model. You're calling your layout formulas and all the symbols into your model. Okay, so what happens is, now when I do that, cylinder ID, okay, cylinder length and cylinder thickness, everything will come into your part level. So then you have to go to tools, relations, click on the sketch. This is equal to cylinder ID, CYL ID, then this is equal to your CYL ID plus 2 times cylinder thickness, THK. Okay, say yes, it works. Now regenerate, it works. Go here, click on extrude both sides, say OK, go back to tools, relations, click on extrude. You have this length over here, which will be your cylinder length. Okay, CYL. Okay, what is the name which you are given? CYL length. Okay, make sure the symbol has same value here also, length. Then regenerate, You see that? Okay, this is how you are going to create each and every part which is there in your layout. Okay, you can even give jumpers if you want now itself. You can keep it for later time, or you can just finish up. Okay, now once cylinder is done, we will go for end plate. Please go and complete the rest of the models. Okay, let's start. Alright guys, our assembly is ready. Okay, now it's the big day. I mean big moment, not big day, to check the correct whether we have created a proper layout and assembly or not. Now what we will do is this assembly what you see, cylinder assembly, is designed for what happens, uh, 30 ton, 350 bar and 3.569, okay, and 4.5. Now what we will do is we will change these values and we will see if our cylinder gets automatically updated or not. We'll make this 20 ton, then we'll make it 255. Maybe in the first part of the tutorial, that is in creating layout, I have the same values. Okay, then 500 is the stroke. I'll click this and regenerate. Now everything gets automatically calculated here. Then you go here and you regenerate. Perfect. Did you see that? Cylinder automatically the cylinder will also get updated. So you don't need to create multiple cylinder values, cylinder models. Just create one layout, just create one model, go on changing it. I will change it to, I'll just change stroke 700 and I'll change this to 350 working pressure. Then I'll see what happens here. Calculated values changes automatically. Okay, go here, then look, see, can you see that? This is the beauty of top-down assembly using layout. I don't think it is necessary for us to create skeleton in this case. This much will do. Okay, create layout, create a cylinder model, and just save both. Every time you need a new cylinder, make a copy of this layout as well as assembly, entire assembly, change the values in the layout, and you get a new model. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, and what I will do is all the formulas that I have used, I will write it down in the description in case you need it. Okay, thank you very much.